Welcome to Applied Coding. Become a web developer fast. Earn money while learning to code. Applied Coding provides a fast way to get into tech, from beginner to job ready as a web developer. Build websites and web apps. Learn. Acquire the skills to become a web developer, taught in a live, structured way. Earn. Earn money while learning to code and boost your portfolio. Apply. Get a job within 3 months of completion or get a full refund, no questions asked. We've identified that the best way to learn programming skills with zero experience is by doing it and earning money while doing it. Live lessons with staff engineers and mentors via an online classroom setting. Beginner-friendly with real-world projects and lessons that will help you build the skills you need to succeed in today's competitive tech market. You'll get to work with experienced professionals who will show you the ropes. You'll not only learn how to code, you'll also get a chance to earn money on the way. We keep our class sizes small so that you can have more one-on-one time with the instructor. Book a call today by visiting the official website at appliedcoding.com.